Alrighty, so welcome to week 9 in CIT 28. Week 9 is, of course, the halfway point of the semester. And as I had mentioned a couple weeks back, but now it's upon us, the last date to actually drop this course is end of day 313. Okay, so if we happen to go look at the calendar, and I'll just do that. And by the way, if you don't use the calendar feature in Canvas, it can be really helpful. Okay, so this would be here at this place in the calendar. Okay, now our class has got different due dates, but that's where it would be. Okay, so right here, end of day. Now again, I don't say this to recommend any one in particular. I'm just letting you know so that you understand that after this date, you will get a grade for the course. After reviewing, and at this point I've just reviewed week 7, I decided to go ahead and spend some time today actually writing a mock interview prompt. Now, I've played with this a little bit. You're welcome to, of course, use it. And this would just be taking the content here, putting it in your favorite, whatever one you want to use, whatever Gen AI you like, and go through it. I did it a couple times and it seemed to work fine. And I tried to restrict it, and I also gave it a style. So hopefully that works for you and gives you some experience. I do recommend, as I had said before, talking to Brianna, but if that's not on your schedule or your ability to schedule, just gives you an alternative. And at this point, I've just recorded a video for the dubious delivery, which is this week, and you'll see that video next. Now, I do say in there, but I'll say here as well, is that you do not have to do static queries. But if you want it, I think it can help you, and you just don't include it in the work that you need to submit for here. But it can help you when you refactor for nested or subqueries, nested subquery, and a join. Okay, so and also for this week, this problem set, the dubious delivery is the proof of effort is worth more points. So make sure you're diligent in your attempts and thinking through and showing that work in your proof of file, your README file. Okay. Okay, so the other thing is you have some graded work here. So there's a video down here where we refactor the last letter to be a join, and I think this is a good time to actually think about that as we move into the next problem set. So we're still working on the packages problem, but we're just working on a different one within there. There were multiples, and I chose these two, and then I changed the output that was required. But again, you'll check that out in the next video. I definitely recommend on the dubious delivery that, as I've said, and some of you have done this, submit early, and I do give you a break after the nested query to get feedback. I definitely recommend taking advantage of that. Okay, hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you later.